If your PC it has issues about the drive that is installed is locked, then this video is for you, because I got some steps for you how to fix drive where Windows is installed is locked to your PC in computer device in Windows 10 and 11. I almost faced this same issue when I tried to boot my laptop. One of the blue screen blue screen shows on my PC, and it says the drive where Windows is installed is locked. So unlock the drive and try again. So here where I want to fix in CMD as a command prompt on the prompt. So I don't know what happened, whether my laptop disk is locked or is lagging because my computer got freeze. Then in that case, if you have the same issue, then stick around, watch the video to the end. So let's get started. The first thing you need to do is to on your laptop and then press Shift plus Restart. Press the button F9, which is the boot device option. Tap on it, press on it, and then here you can select either external USB hard drive or it was press the Windows Boot Manager by pressing the button enter or using the mouse to click. Then let's wait for it. Great. Then now you have to press on the F1 button, which is the Windows recovery environment. It will direct you to Windows recovery environment. Yep. So here it is. To select your keyboard language layout, whether you are from US or you are from another country, they press the button enter or use your mouse to click. Yep. So on the recovery, press or click on the troubleshoot. Click on command prompt. Yes. So here is the command prompt. So to rebuild the BCD on your laptop, first you need to type the code. Check the description below for command codes. It's on the description. The first code that I need to type is bootrec space / fix master boot record fixmbr, then press enter. Okay. So the second code is bootrec space / fixboot. Okay. And what the second code is bootrec space / nut 60 sys, then press enter. And here it shows that no boot code was successfully updated. It is because the volume root directory of the parameter is not correct. So let me try and set bootrec space / nut 60. Nope. Did it work? Oh, okay, wait. Bootrec slash nt60sys. No, it didn't work. Well, so let's leave it. So what? So the dot code is a bootrec space slash scanos. Yes, it has successfully scanned Windows installation and it identified one. So the fifth code that you need to type is bootrec space slash rebuildbcd. Then let's wait for it and let it scan until it's done. Do you want to add installation to boot list? Then tap yes and press enter. So the volume does not contain recognized file system. Please make sure that all required file system and drivers are loaded and that the volume not corrupted. Yes. So let's leave it for it. So the next code is to type on a disk path. After typing this path, type the following code: list disk. So you select select disk, either this or this. I choose this. Then after selecting the disk, you type the next code: list partition. So select a partition, or select any number of a partition active, any number of partition that is active. Like me, I will choose partition 3 or 1, anyone. So I will select partition. Type the code, select partition and 3. Then after selecting it, type the code active. Fine. Or I'll go for the number and go for number 1. Okay, so then after that you type exit. So the third step is to type the following code, such as chkdsk, chkdsk, c space sc 2 colon the space slash f space slash x space slash arrow. Like I told you, check the description below for all the commands codes that are used here. So press the button enter. And wait for it to be done at least 30 minutes or 1 hour, because it takes time to fix scan your disks and recovers everything, whether there is a bad clusters or bad files in your disks. So you have to wait for it at least, that could be 30-40 minutes or 1 hour or 1 hour 30 minutes. Then I'll skip this part. Yeah, because it takes time to look for something like corrupted files or missing files, or if there is something inside, or maybe there be more inside the disks, like looking for bad clusters. Yes, it can be. So let's wait for it. If you get this a message pop up saying it failed to transfer log message to the vendor will start to seek, it means there's a something or something is wrong with your PC, such as the hard drive that is configured with read-only mode, Windows update broke things, problems with the OS installation, and bad sectors and the physical damage to the hard drive in your PC or your computer. And especially corrupted the systems fast. So what you have to do now is to type on this part. Because I almost forgot to give you the last code. So we'll exit this program command prompt. So we click on troubleshoot, then we go back on command prompt. Then the next code to type is type sfc /scan now. Then press the button enter. And then let's wait for it to be done scanning. If you get this message pop up says Windows Resource Protection could not perform the requested operation, it means there's nothing wrong with your system fast. But if there is something wrong, then you need to tap around the following codes, such as GISM spacebar /online spacebar /cleanup -image plus check health. And if GIS does not support, then they keep typing the following code. Cleanup -image -scan health. The same thing. Then that's the last code, restore health. The same thing, it didn't work. So I will have to type this last code, mdshed.exe. Yep. Yes. So after tapping it and tap it to show the the icon here, the Windows memory diagnostics, and then if there is a more problem, you can restart now and check for problems, which is recommended, or check for problem the next time I start my computer. Okay, so let's click on the restart now, because sometimes your PC or your computer memory problem can cause to lose information or stop working. So and that's it. So as you can see here, it has successfully fixed your drive. The drive where Windows is installed is locked. So if you if you have any questions, suggestions, or opinions, you can drop a comment below. And if you are facing the issue, then you can also comment below. Then I'll see if I can try to get more ways and more ways and ways in order to try to recover your drive boot, your PC or your computer. So that's the end for today's video. And if you found the video helpful, and if you like the tutorial is really helpful, you can click on the like button, click on the subscribe button, and click on the notification bell for more upcoming and more similar videos, and so that you will be noticed and you will get notified anytime I release a new video. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.